Assalamualaikum, my name is Binti and I will be presenting point 1 to represent my group project. Our topic is about the usage of GIS in identification of potential soil erosion area towards safety landscape planning. Our site is located at Bukit Bandar, Kuala Langat. Kuala Langat is an agricultural area and traditional settlement. The word bandar is applied due to the historical monuments, which is Istana Bandar that is still exists apart from Masjid Bandar. Now, let's talk in depth about the soil erosion issue happened in Bukit Bandar. Soil erosion happened because of the loss of soil structure, wind flow, poor internal drainage, salinization and soil acidity. It also can be happen due to the leaching of uncontrolled agricultural management, which could lead to soil contamination and depletion of soil fertility. So, how are we going to investigate and identify the risk of soil erosion in Bukit Bandar? We can do it by using detailed GIS analysis, which is terrain mapping analysis. For our group, we are using 4 different types of GIS analysis, which are TIN, Digital Elevation Model DEM, Slope Percentage, and 3D DDM. TIN is used to derive slope, aspect, elevation, contour lines, and hill shape. DEM is used to represent the earth topography and also to derive the topography attribute. Moreover, slope percentage is used to calculate the area and measuring the angle with the topography, and 3DM is used to represent the elevation data terrain in 3D view. Let's move on with the data involved in this project. The data involved in this project are Mungkin Boundary SHP, Contour SHP, and Land Use SHP. Our objective for our group project is we want to identify the area of soil erosion occurs in Bukit Bandar by using the slope tool to derive the slope. Next, we want to identify the potential of erosion might be occurs and can be generated by overlapping slope map and layers. Furthermore, there are 2 case studies that we have been used as our reference for our project. The first case study is written about the soil erosion risk prediction with RS and GIS for the northwestern part of the Hebei province, China. From this case study, we learn about the effectiveness of RS and GIS in generating soil risk map. The produce of erosion risk map available to minimize soil erosion problem caused by future and ongoing development project. Next case study that have been used as reference is assessment of soil erosion by RESLE model using remote sensing and GIS, which located in Netrabati Basin. This case study is about the degradation of agricultural land by using erosion leading to lost nutrient-rich surface soil. Throughout this case, we learn application of GIS and RS remote sensing really help in identifying the estimation of soil loss and identification of critical area to implement the best management practices in the Netrabati Basin.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aina Nasuha and I will be explain Bot 2. Based on the previous issue that have been explained by Nasiha, we have identified the potential of soil erosion that can occur in Bukit Bandar by using TIN, DEM, 3DM, slope, and last but not least, slope percentage. So this is the flowchart of TIN, DEM, 3DDM, slope, and slope percentage. As for the result from the analysis, the first one is TIN analysis. As we can see, TIN is used for high precision modeling of Bukit Bandar. It allows the calculations of pandimetric area, surface and volume. This map shows that Kampung Sawah, Kampung Air Tawar, Sungai Ingat dan Kampung Bandar are the high risk area which are near to the low point surface. Second one is DEM analysis. It represents a continuous surface that referencing a surface of Bukit Bandar. Dark thick color represent a high point of the area that are likely to be mount area, while light teal color is representing as a low point that are likely to be watershed area or low ground area. The third one is 3DDM. 3DDM is used to visualize the digital topographic surface of Bukit Bandar in perspective. The high potential of soil erosion are likely to occur at low point area, which are at Langat River and residential area. Last but not least is slope analysis with area calculation. Based on the slope analysis, it shows that high potential area for soil erosion to occur are in the red zone color, which is 10.47 meters square, while green area zone 19.51 has a minimal potentials for soil erosion to occur. The red area indicate the steepness of slope that are highly can cause soil erosions, which are Langat River and residential area. This area need to take a serious measure to prevent it before happen. While the green area indicate to the flattest slope that are safe from soil erosions, which are the agriculture area. Through the same analysis method, this method can also be used to identify potential flood events that are potentially can occur in Mukim Bandar. The involved user of this method is Department of Irrigation Drainage, Ministry of Environment and Water. Many approaches can be used to prevent this event from happening. One of them is geo-erosion control, soil conservation method, biosphere, and many more. Our experience on making this project, we have encountered some errors while making them. The error occur when creating tin. The tin does not fill the space according to the boundaries of Mukim Bandar. The solution is after clip the Mukim Bandar map, digitize the outline using the line tools in editor toolbar, using the attribute table to select the sections, and the tin can be successfully created. The second error is in the slope area calculate. The error reclassified appear due to the output length of the grid base longer than 13. So in order to solve it, in the reclassify type, we change the classification method to include intervals so it could enter the break value of it easily and change the classes of classification into 4. The tables of area calculate is successfully created. In conclusion, soil erosion models are easy to interpret physically, involve few resources, and may be worked out with readily available input to pinpoint location at high risk of erosions. The study demonstrates that GIS is a valuable tool in assessing soil erosions and assisting the estimations of erosion loss 10.47 meters square in Mukim Bandar. The project finding can aid in developments of management scenarios and give policymakers which option to prioritizing soil erosion concern in the most efficient way possible.